Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the moving text in CapCut apps using grabs. So you can tap on your project, select your photos that you like to edit or just video. Alright, I'm going to add text. So to make it move, you can add keyframes button right here, and at the end of the clip you can select a keyframe again and you can move and change for the size like this. Check mark, and here we go. This is the final effect you have on your tag. So smooth. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.